Hub with 11 USB 3.0 ports for connecting to PCs and laptops. Allows you to connect multiple devices simultaneously. Supports 10/101,000ths of a megabit per second bandwidth for fast transmission. Compatible with operating systems including Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows ME, Windows 2000, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Mac OS X v10. 8. Supports USB 3.0 super speed, 5 gigabits per second, transmission, USB 2.0 high-speed mode 480 megabits per second, and USB 2.0 full speed 12 megabits per second. Slim case takes up minimal desk space and is easy to travel with. Top reviews from the United States. Nice and simple, work with all my devices. This is a simple, easy-to-use USB hub that seems to work well with all my devices. I have used this with a variety of USB flash sticks, portable disk drives, SD card readers, and even my APC uninterruptible power supply. All have worked perfectly so far. Lots of ports and sleek. This USB hub is great. It provides an ample amount of ports and the power cord provided is not necessary to use for most cases. The design itself is sleek. The device is slim and really doesn't take up too much room. Overall, the product is certainly worth it for the price.